Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to withdraw USD from Binance. Alright, so first up, go to log into Binance.com. Now, once you're in here, what you're going to do is just go ahead over to the top left, click on Buy Crypto. Now, instead of buying, we'd want to click on Sell. Okay. Now, go ahead and select the crypto that you would like to sell or convert to USD. For example, I have here USDT. I'm just going to click on it. I'm going to max it out. Then I'm going to go ahead and select the currency. So what we're going to do is just go ahead and select USD right here. Click on USD, and the payment method or the receive method will be straight up to your fiat wallet. Okay. Make sure that you select fiat wallet. Now, once you have it under your fiat wallet, what you're going to do next is just go ahead over to buy crypto once more. Now click on withdraw right here. Now your USD currency should have an available balance. Now what you're going to do next is just basically select a bank transfer right here, hit on continue, follow simple prompts, and once done, you should be good to go. Now another option to withdraw your USD, for example, you still have the crypto. Just go ahead over to a trade right here, click on P2P, wait for it's allowed, P2P, sell. Now go ahead and enter USD right here as your currency. Okay, now go ahead and select the coin that you would like to sell. So I'm just going to leave it to USD right here, or just for example, I'm going to go ahead and choose BTC. Now here are the buyers or list of buyers that offers to buy your crypto. So if you have your bank in here, for example, or you can go ahead and select the payment method right here, of course. Okay, you have Zelle. This one got Zelle. You can go ahead and click on sell BTC, add your BTC amount. And then once done, just go ahead and select the payment method. Okay, we have Zelle and Bank of America. And then just go ahead and click on sell right here. Follow the simple prompts and you're good to go. That is how you withdraw USD from Binance. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.